build report on the TDS wall-mounted folding dip station. Ordered this one about a week ago. Called 3 days after placing my online order to check, left a message, and lo and behold, looked out on my front porch and it was sitting there. So far this unit's worked out great. It is, we had no intention of buying the cheapest unit. We do have a small garage gym, space is limited, so is the budget. However, this unit was only $59.95, so it was amongst the cheapest units, but I knew as soon as I opened the box that it was a serious piece of steel inside and easily supports my 200 and nobody's business pounds. Frame, solid as a rock. At first we tried to mount it on 3/4 inch plywood. I can tell you that was a bad idea. Changed to super strut. With the super strut, I could hit 3 studs at 16-inch centers. The bolts on the product, the bolt holes are 10 inches apart. Height-wise, they're about 9 inches apart. So you do need a way to get to your 16 or 24 inches, whatever it may be. When it's all said and done concerning this unit, and I will tell you, we are not affiliates. We have nothing to gain by recommending this. But I have 3 words about this unit so far. 2 thumbs up.